You are surrounded by millions of people, constantly connected, yet quietly starving for a real human touch. And it is slowly killing you. We live in the most hyper-connected era in human history. So why are loneliness rates surging like an uncontained wildfire? The twist isn't social media. The terrifying truth is that your brain is still wired for a prehistoric savanna, where isolation meant instant death. When you feel lonely, your body doesn't just feel sad. It triggers the exact same neurobiological alarm system as physical starvation or attack. Chronic loneliness increases your risk of premature death by 15 cigarettes a day. That is more dangerous than obesity. Your bloodstream floods with cortisol and adrenaline. Your immune system shuts down its defenses, leaving you vulnerable to everything. Back in the tribe, being cast out meant you couldn't hunt, couldn't defend yourself, and wouldn't survive the night. So your brain develops hypervigilance. It trains you to scan every social interaction for hidden threats, rejection, and hostility. The tragedy? The lonelier you get, the more defensive and hostile your behavior becomes, pushing away the exact people you crave. But scrolling through endless feeds isn't curing this hunger. It is a synthetic drug that tricks your reward system while leaving you emptier than before. Social media delivers microdoses of dopamine without any of the oxytocin, endorphins, or real connection your biology demands. It is the psychological equivalent of eating empty calories. You feel full for a second, but your soul is starving to death. But here is the secret that multi-billion-dollar tech algorithms don't want you to know. The cure is shockingly simple and completely free. You do not need 1,000 followers. Harvard's 85-year study proved that longevity comes down to just one thing: depth, not breadth. The longest-running study on human happiness discovered that warm relationships protect our brains and bodies better than wealth, fame, or genetics. But how do you cross the bridge from awkward isolation to real connection when your brain is screaming at you to run? You use microdosing. You don't need to throw a party. You just need one intentional, low-stakes interaction every single day. Say good morning to the barista. Ask the cashier how their shift is going. Train your brain to realize the world isn't a hostile wasteland. Every time you have a genuine micro-interaction, you send a biological safety signal to your nervous system. You tell the caveman brain, we are safe. And the most profound realization of all? Everyone around you is wearing the exact same invisible armor, secretly craving the exact same invite. Be the initiator. Send that text. Make that call. Someone in your orbit is waiting for permission to feel less alone. When you connect, your brain releases oxytocin and serotonin, instantly neutralizing cortisol and lowering your blood pressure back to baseline. This is how you bulletproof your health. This is how you reclaim your evolutionary wiring and silence the survival alarm for good. Studies show just 3 deep connections cut your risk of cognitive decline in half. The numbers don't lie. Here is your 3-step battle plan. 1 micro-interaction a day. 1 deep conversation a week. 0 tolerance for empty digital calories. Treat connection like hygiene. You wouldn't skip brushing your teeth for a month. Don't starve your social cells either. When you reach out, you don't just save yourself. You pull someone else out of the dark too. It's a dual rescue mission. You have a choice. You can keep feeding the algorithm that feeds on your isolation, or you can choose real life. Because the moment you put down the screen is the exact moment your real life finally begins. You are surrounded by millions of people. Expect awkwardness at first. Rejection isn't a lethal primitive threat anymore. It's just statistical noise on the path to finding your tribe. Audit your digital environment. Build high friction against mindless scrolling and eliminate the barriers keeping you isolated. Here is your immediate mission. Within the next 24 hours, send a real message to one person you haven't spoken to in months. Every genuine interaction physically rewires your neural circuitry, proving to your nervous system that safety lies in human connection. Real life isn't happening inside a 5-inch screen. It is happening right out here, in every shared laugh and vulnerable conversation. Because if you don't break the pattern today, you are surrounded by millions of people. Thanks for watching Second Instinct. If you enjoy psychology and self-improvement videos like this, subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.